Welcome to wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. If x equal to 2, solve 7 multiplied by 6x plus 8 plus 6 multiplied by 7 plus 6 plus 8. So let's write this. 7 multiplied by 6x plus 8 plus 6 multiplied by 7 plus 6 plus 8. Here we have to put x equal to 2. So the expression becomes 7 into 6 multiplied by 2 plus 8 plus 6 multiplied by, now 7, 6 plus, first we'll have to solve this addition. So 6 plus 8 is 14. So we get 7 plus 14. So that will be 7 multiplied by 12 plus 8 plus 6 multiplied by 21. So this is 12 plus 8 is 20. So we have 7 multiplied by 20 plus 6 multiplied by 21 is 126. This is 140 plus 126, which gives us 266. Addition is 266. Answer is option A.